How Quotex OTC Market Works. The realm of over-the-counter, OTC markets, particularly the Quotex platform, is a financial universe often shrouded in mystery, its workings known only to a select few. Yet, within this enigmatic space, a staggering volume of transactions occurs daily, shaping the course of global markets. Did you know that the OTC market is larger than all centralized exchanges combined? Or that it can be a breeding ground for both immense profits and devastating losses? At the heart of the OTC market lies a decentralized network of participants, trading directly with one another without the intermediation of a central exchange. This eliminates the need for strict regulatory oversight, opening the door to a wider range of financial instruments and trading strategies. Quotex, a prominent player in this arena, offers a platform where traders can engage in a variety of OTC activities, including foreign exchange, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. One of the key advantages of the OTC market is its flexibility. Traders can customize their contracts to suit their specific needs, tailoring terms such as size, maturity, and settlement method. This freedom allows for innovative financial products and strategies that may not be available on traditional exchanges. However, it also introduces risks, as the lack of standardization can make it difficult to assess counterparty risk and price discovery. The OTC market is not without its challenges. Liquidity can be a concern, especially for less liquid instruments. This can lead to wider bid-ask spreads and potential difficulties in executing trades at desired prices. Additionally, the absence of a centralized marketplace can make it more challenging to obtain accurate pricing information and monitor market trends. Despite these drawbacks, the OTC market continues to attract a growing number of participants, drawn by the potential for higher returns and greater flexibility. Quotex, with its user-friendly interface and diverse range of instruments, has played a significant role in democratizing access to this market. However, it is essential to approach OTC trading with caution and a thorough understanding of the risks involved. In conclusion, the Quotex OTC market is a complex and dynamic ecosystem that offers both opportunities and challenges. While it may be less regulated and more opaque than traditional exchanges, it provides a unique platform for traders seeking innovative financial products and strategies. By understanding the intricacies of this market and managing risks effectively, individuals can navigate this space and potentially reap significant rewards.